What's up guys, welcome to another Photoshop tutorial with KZ Designs. Today I'll be showing you a very quick and easy way to crop pictures in Photoshop and also to resize an image without losing its quality. So I have this sample image here which I downloaded, and I'm going to be using this as our practical guide. So now we're going to go to the crop tool at the left side and click on it. Automatically it gets activated. So what we can do here is we can now right click on the image. Let's say we want to right click on this image. I can right click here and use the available crop ratios, which are, we have the 1:1 square ratio, we have the 4, 5, 8, 10 square ratio, we also have the 5, 7 ratio, we have the 2, 3, 4:6 square ratio, which is kind of popular, and we also have the 16:9, you can see. So I can choose to just double click and crop, or I can come to the top, which is right here. Now I can type in what I want. Maybe I want a 4:6, right? I can just type in 4:6, and I have this. Now if I don't want, I want this lady coming in a little bit, I can just, all I do is simply click on the image and drag it to the right a little bit, and I have it inside. I'm going to take it a little to the left and just put them where they are, and now I have like a vertical 4:6. I can also make it horizontal by coming to the top where I typed in my ratio, and also click on this button here which has the switch button between horizontal and vertical. So I can click on it and it goes to horizontal. If I click on it again, it carries me back to my portrait view or to my vertical view. So I'm just going to double click on the image or press enter to crop, and there we have it. It's already cropped. Now another thing we can do now is to resize the image, right? So we want to maybe step it down or maybe bring it bigger. We can make it bigger also. So we can go straight to image at the top ribbon. We're going to go to image size, and then I can type in what I want. Now you can see the resolution is on 72. I can also come here to resample. Usually it's on automatic, so I can click on resample and click on preserve details for enlargement. Then I can just change my resolution maybe to, like, let's say 150, right, to make it look, you see it's kind of like changing, right? So I can now also change my custom ratio by percentage, or I can change it by pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, columns. So I'm using the pixels. Let's just say I'm using, like, for example, maybe let's use 750 by, I don't know, let's use 1080, right? And just press enter, and see it kind of like changes the image size, although a little bit bigger than our crop ratio, but you see the image comes out again, and then it's now looking like it's still looking the same, maintaining the same quality of the image. So yeah, that's how you crop and also resize an image in Photoshop without losing its quality. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay awesome and stay creative.